In this video, I'm going to show you the timeline feature. I'm going to first compare it with the process page. So you can see here's my project with 3 slices. Let's take a look at plan. I've got a couple boxes. Click on a box. I've got some tasks, and number 1 has some subtasks. If I go to the sprint, you see I have set up as a board with 3 columns. And then if I go to close, it's a very straightforward, simple slice with no boxes, no board, just a set of tasks. All right, next thing I did is I went ahead and put in all of the dates. And now let's take a look at timeline. First thing you notice is that as soon as you click timeline, you're actually seeing the slices as slice bars on the left here. And here are the Gantt bars of each of these slices. So you can see the start to end dates. And if I was to expand by clicking this little arrow here, or even if you click on the bar itself, it'll do the same. Expands out. And remember, the first slice had 2 boxes. Here they are. Let's expand this box called Build Charter. And you can see here are the tasks with their bars. And again, if I go in deeper, here are the subtasks. And here are those. You can click on a task to open it up, to get access to all of its controls, files, people assignment, posts, dependencies, etc. And directly from the bar, you can actually click on the date to open up the date view. So let's scroll down a little bit and let's open up the sprint. Remember, this is the one with the board. Here are the board columns and their tasks. And let's take a look at close and their task. So if you wanted to expand all of the slices, boxes, etc., then you can actually see on the right-hand side the full Gantt view of all the bars going across the entire project. I want to show you a little bit about zooming. Let's collapse everything here. And you can see here we're going from July through the end of September for the entire project. But if I want to zoom it in, just take the little zoom bar, drag it out. You see now I'm actually going into more and more detail down to the day level. And then you can zoom it back out. Likewise, if you want to take a look at these tasks here, it's kind of hard to tell because here you're looking at different weeks, but I can zoom it in, and then all you have to do is take your mouse and just drag the chart left and right to move it to different days, different weeks, etc. If you're on an iPhone or an iPad, you can use your finger to move it left and right, and you can also pinch your finger in and out to zoom in and to zoom out. Okay, let's take a look at other filtering. So I'm going to collapse these. And now I'm going to click on the plan slice. What I'm going to do is show you how you can use the pie itself as a filtering mechanism. So here I clicked on plan, and immediately you can see all of the bars for the plan. So we have the 2 boxes here, the 2 boxes in the chart. And if I click on a box, like Build Charter, you can see now it's only showing the task underneath in the chart view from those belonging to the Build Charter box. Likewise, if I click on Define, here are the Define tasks. So let's go and take a look at the sprint. Remember, these are your column boxes, and these are the tasks under each column. Let's go to close, and likewise you've got it filtered just to the task within the close phase. And unselect to get the full view of the entire project. I hope this video was helpful. Enjoy playing around with the timeline.